Multiplying two or more radical expressions. The radical is understood to be a square root and can be multiplied with other square roots. My example 1 is 18 squared times 2 squared. My example 2 is 3 cubed times 9 cubed. Then multiply the numbers under the radical or square root sign and keep them there, like this. For example 1, I got 18 squared times 2 squared equals 36 squared. And for example 2, I got 3 cubed times 9 cubed equals 27 cubed. If you've multiplied radicals, there's a good chance that they can be simplified to perfect squares or perfect cubes, or that they can be simplified by finding a perfect square as a factor of the final product. 36 equals 6. 36 squared equals 6 because 36 is a perfect square because it is the product of 6 times 6. And for 2, I got 27 cubed is 3 because 27 is a perfect cube because it's the product of 3 times 3 times 3. Solving an equation that involves exponential expressions. To solve exponential equations, you need to have equations with comparable exponential expressions on either side of the equal sign so you can compare the powers and solve. In other words, you have to have some base to some power equal to the same base and some other power, where you set two powers equal to each other and solve the resulting equation. For example, 5 power to x equals 5 power to 3. Since the bases are the same, then the only way the two expressions could be equal is for the powers also to be the same, which is x equals 3. Adding and subtracting radical expressions. Step 1, simplify radicals. Step 2, combine like radicals. Example, coefficient 2 square root 12 plus square root of 27. Step 1, simplify radicals. Coefficient 2 square root 12 equals square root 4 times square root 3 equals coefficient 2 times square root 3. And the square root of 27 equals square root of 9 times square root of 3, which equals 3 to the square root of 3. Step 2, combine like radicals. Coefficient of 2 square root of 12 plus square root of 27 equals 2 times 2 to the square root of 3 plus 3 times the square root of 3, which equals 4 to the square root of 3 plus 3 to the square root of 3, which equals 4 plus 3 to the square root of 3, and that equals 7 to the square root of 3.